Alright, so now in this question we've got if 5x plus 6y upon 5u plus 6v is equal to 5x minus 6y upon 5u minus 6v, then we need to prove that x is to y is equal to u is to v. Right. This particular question we'll be solving it by using the properties of proportion. So we have 5x plus 6y divided by 5u plus 6v, which is equal to 5x minus 6y divided by 5u minus 6v. Right. The first property that we would like to use in this case would be alternendo. Right. The idea is to make sure that the x, y terms are on one side of the equation and the u and v terms are on the other side. So the first property I would like to apply here would be alternendo. So by alternendo, right, I'm going to alternate these two terms here. I can say that 5x, right, 5x plus 6y divided by 5x minus 6y is equal to 5u plus 6v divided by 5u minus 6v. Alright. So now that we've got the x and y terms on one side of the equation and u and v terms on the other side of the equation by alternando, if you notice one thing, like for example over here in this fraction, 5x plus 6y in the numerator and 5x minus 6y in the denominator. This looks familiar. This looks something like of the format n plus d upon n minus d, right? This already looks like it to be in this format, and it's a general rule that you could use in a lot of sums here. Whenever you have something of this format, to simplify it, we apply componendo-dividendo, right? So by componendo and dividendo, which is basically this rule over here, n plus d upon n minus d. I could say now my left hand side terms are 5x plus 6y, this is my numerator, right, plus my denominator, which is 5x minus 6y, right, entire thing divided by my numerator 5x plus 6y minus my denominator, which is 5x minus 6y. Right. Now remember, whenever you're applying any of these properties, they have to be applied to both the sides of the equation. So we need to do that on the right hand side as well. And over here too, if you notice, it is 5u plus 6v upon 5u minus 6v, which is again in the format of n plus d upon n minus d. And to simplify that, the componendo and dividendo rule will be applicable. So what we have here is 5u plus 6v, this is my numerator, plus my denominator, which is 5u minus 6v divided by my numerator first, which is 5u plus 6v minus my denominator, which is 5u minus 6v. Alright. Now to simplify this by opening up the brackets. So in the numerator on my left hand side, I have 5x plus 6y plus 5x minus 6y, right? Entire thing divided by 5x plus 6y. Now this minus here, so this makes it minus 5x, and minus into minus will make it plus, so plus 6y, right? Similar thing on my right hand side, I have 5u plus 6v plus 5u minus 6v in the numerator. Divide the entire thing by 5u plus 6v, and again it's a minus sign here, so the signs will change. Minus 5u plus 6v. Okay, so now if you observe carefully, there are a lot of terms which are going to get cancelled. So in my first in the fraction on the right hand side, I have plus 6y and minus 6y getting cancelled, and in the denominator I have 5x and minus 5x over here getting cancelled. Same way on the other side of the equation, on my right hand side of the equation, I have plus 6v and minus 6v getting cancelled out here, and I have let's see, I have plus 5u and minus 5u getting cancelled out over here. Right, so now what is left? So 5x plus 5x will give me 10x divided by 6y plus 6y will give me 12y, which is equal to 5u plus 5u, which will give me 10u, and divided by 6v plus 6v, which will give me 12v. Alright, again we have similar terms on either side, so this 10 here and this 10 here will get cancelled, and this 12 here and this 12 here get cancelled. All I'm left with now is x upon y is equal to u upon v, and this is what I had to prove in the question, right? This means x is to y, the ratio of x is to y is equal to the ratio of u is to v, hence proof.